Hello, ghoulish people. I know you've just been dying to meet me. Today, your days are numbered, but your calories are not. We'll be making Texas Death by Chocolate Cake using Cambros rounds and measuring cups, Alto Shams combi oven, Waring's induction burner, and Waring's planetary mixer. There's no escaping now.
First, add your dry ingredients to the Waring mixing bowl. Then bring wet ingredients with cocoa powder to a boil. Pour boiling liquid into dry ingredients and mix using a paddle attachment. Next, add eggs and incorporate. Now for the secret ingredient. Add death powder to sour dairy liquid and incorporate. Add a touch of vanilla and mix. Pour into a cake pan and bake in the Alto Sham combi oven until done. While the cake is still hot, bring your wet ingredients and cocoa to a boil. Pour over powdered sugar and whip in the Waring mixer until smooth. Pour the hot icing over the hot cake and let cool.
Once your victims try this cake, they'll be dying for more. Join us next week for some more frightful food. We'll be going to my favorite vacation spot, deep in the swamp, for some voodoo cauldron gumbo and some larva rice.